Make a great choice today with the 2021 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.